Hello everybody, welcome to my app walkthrough. So let's get into it. What is the context and what is the challenge? In Nigeria currently, report card system is done manually and it takes a lot of time to achieve this. So I have developed an app that can do that easily with little or no stress. So let's go ahead and walk through it. So on my desktop here, I have the startup app. If you click on it, you double click on it, it's going to open. Wait for it while it opens. It's going to open. Now it's opened here. So the next thing we want to do is expand this app so that we can see all the full functionalities. So it's basically a report card system. Very simple to use. So on your first time, once you open this app, you want to first click on edit school details. Go ahead and type in your school information, like your school name, your location, your phone number, the principal's name, the default class teacher, and then you could even click on browse to attach a logo of your choice. Now once you have done that, you can click on the edit, go to the color and session, the next tab under it, which is the color and session. You can decide to pick any from our template palette. We have ocean, we have frost, we have sunset, we have purple, we have professional, we have red. You can expand to see more. We have green. Now any of these work, so you can decide to choose from one, or if our palette option is not okay for you, you can choose a primary color for yourself. You can go ahead and do that by yourself. It is allowed. It allows you to pick a primary color, a secondary color, even an accent color. Now once that is done, you can also add the academic session. Let's say you're looking at this app in 2027. You can 2027/2028 academic session. Then we have the term, maybe first term, second term, third term. You just put that here. Now once you have done that, you can click on save. Now once you have saved those settings, that setting remain there. Now the next thing you want to do is configure subjects, the subject your school offers. Let's say mine offer mathematics, English, biology, chemistry, physics. Let's just use this as an example, 5 subjects. I save that subject. Now I've configured that subject. Now the question is, why do I do this? This is to give you a template of these subjects your school offer and how you're going to enter it. So we go into the next stage of clicking on download templates, download Excel templates. So you download it. It's going to ask you, do you want to save it? Just go ahead and save. Just go ahead and save. I already have samples there, so just go ahead and save this. Now once you save this, it tells you that your template with 5 subjects is saved. Now it says note, space in the subject name become underscore in the Excel column. So let's go ahead and build this. This is on my download, so I'm going to go to my download and boom, I have that Excel template here. I'm going to open it so that you see what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so you can see it has opened the Excel for me, and in the Excel I have student ID. You can expand this. Please, quick note before we start anything is, do not change the headings. Do not change the headings, but you can change from column 2, which is the student name. You can decide to have the student, instead of having student STU001, it can be John Doe, Gift Ahmed, of any choice. You can have your school student name in the name column. You can have their registered number, that is maybe register number, roll number, row 1, row 2, row 3, or thereabout. Student school reg number is fine. Then their name, the class that owns that report card. Now take note, you can have for JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, JSS, so just basically the class that owns it. I would advise you do a particular class at a time. Now the class teacher for the subject for that students, you put in their name here. Then you can now go ahead and have the first assessment. If you check the columns here, I'm going to expand this so that you can all see it. So you can see we have mass first, CA1, mass CA2, then mass exam. Then you have English language CA1, English language CA2, English language exam. So the 5 subjects we selected, it just gives us a template of that with a random number for now. So let's go ahead and just save this. And then now let's say you have entered in your own data. Just go ahead and save now and close. Once you save and close, come back to your app, come back to your application. Now on the second option here where it says upload and preview, go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask you to upload a file. You want to select that particular one, that report card, select it and click on open. Click on open. It's going to go ahead and create that 3 records for us. Now click on OK. Now you'll be able to see a start of it here below where it says preview, a total of 3 students, subjects are 5 subjects, and then you have student ID 1, 2, 3. Right now, let's go ahead and click on. You could either have, you have 2 buttons here. You could either generate all the students at once, or you could generate one specific student at a time. So let's do the one at a time. Then we come to click on the generate all. So let's say we want to generate one. What you just have to do is the student ID you want to generate. Even though we have 3 records here, I can decide to generate ST, that is the student registration number or roll number, ST001. Then I'll click on OK. And what this does now, it asks me where do I want to generate it. So definitely you have a folder you want to put this, maybe on your desktop, download, anywhere. I use download, so you click on select folder. Now it says it has been generated on my download folder. So let's walk over to my download folder. You can see on my download folder here, I have one PDF. So if you go ahead and open up, you're going to see that it has generated based on our custom logo, on our custom school name and information here. That's generated it, the student name, student ID, the class teacher, the respective subject, and overall score, average score, then grade and the position. Then below we have the class teacher's comment and the principal's comment. Now this is a simple example. Let's go back and click on, generate all. So if you click on generate all now and select the same folder location and click on generate, you can see it says 3 report card generated. So if we go back to download, you're going to have 3 copies of that. The first one, the second one, and the third one, and each of them is going to generate according to the information in that row. First one, this is student 3 and their respective scores. So let's put this into a test. only have one, so you should purchase more credit. So meaning, if you do not have enough credit, you cannot proceed. So that is where you now have to say, maybe just contact me through my email or my phone number and pay just a little token to appreciate us, and then we'll send you a license code. So I'm just going to generate one for myself now, and you would have to send me your ID. Everybody has a unique ID. The code is customized to you and the system all alone. So you will have to send me your ID. My ID here is gifted. Now I'm going to just go ahead and generate one. So depending on how much you want to pay, I'm just going to generate for gifted. Let's say I want one. Then for 50 cards, I'm just going to generate that, and I'm going to copy the card and send over to you once the payment is received. So this is it. Just copy this. Now if I come to the app and click on enter license, you would get a license. You want to definitely paste that here and click on activate. Now I have 50. Now once I have this 50, you can see I have 51 remaining. So, and if you go ahead and try to paste it multiple times, it's not going to work. So it says you're already using this on this computer. So with this, that's how we can refill our license. Now once that is done, you should be able to try to generate. So let's say we want to try and generate for a particular student. Now we should be able to do that. So let's go ahead and do SUT005. 005. Then you hit this and select the location. Now you can see I have 50 remaining. Initially it was 51. So basically that is how to use the app, and anytime you are done, you can simply just close the app, and that will be all. So I hope somebody has seen what we have here today, and if you're interested, do not hesitate to reach out. We can do other customization upon request, but basically this is a general template for all secondary schools. Now all this color scheme, remember, it can be customized. So it can be customized to your color of your choice. It mustn't be green, it mustn't be red, it mustn't be blue. You can do all of that from the school settings option over here. So you can do all of that here and select a different color, a different preset, and then just save that option. And once you save that, that is what it's going to use. So thank you very much. If you're interested, leave a comment in the video or just reach out to me through the contact, and I would also be sharing a link for you to download and try out on your own, because you have anytime you create, you have a free 50 credit. So once you try it out and you need more, you reach out to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.